In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan meetings with meeting invite template in Outlook. Off minutes, let's get started by opening Outlook in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're in, switch to the calendar view. This is where you'll create and manage your meetings, and it keeps everything in one organized place. Next, start a new meeting by selecting New Event. If you're given options, choose Event. This opens the meeting form where you'll set all the essentials. Begin with a clear, action-oriented title. Think of it like a headline. It should make the purpose obvious at a glance, for example, Quarterly Planning Review or Client Onboarding Check-in. A good title helps attendees prioritize and quickly recognize what the meeting is about. Now add your attendees. Type their names or email addresses and let Outlook find the right contacts. If your list is large or mixed, you can add key decision makers first, then supporting participants. As you add people, keep an eye on the attendee list so you can spot duplicates or anyone who doesn't need to be there. Choose the date and time that works best. If your organization uses shared calendars, you can quickly scan availability to avoid conflicts. Try to set a realistic duration, short enough to stay focused but long enough to cover the agenda you're going to include in your template. If people are in different regions, be mindful of time zones so no one ends up meeting outside reasonable hours. With the basics in place, open my templates in the event body. This is the time saver. Select a meeting invite template that matches your purpose. Something that already includes an agenda outline, objectives, and any pre-read or preparation notes. Insert the template, then personalize it. Replace placeholders, refine the agenda to reflect your goals, and make sure the language is clear and concise. If your template includes sections like objectives, decisions to be made, or next steps, confirm they're relevant so attendees arrive prepared. Before sending, do a quick review. Is the title clear? Are the right people invited? And does the date and time make sense? Read through the template one more time to ensure it's accurate and free of sensitive details that shouldn't be shared. A final skim here can prevent back and forth later. When everything looks good, click send. Your attendees will receive a structured, easy to understand invitation, and the meeting will appear on their calendars with all the context they need. That's it. Fast, consistent, and professional every time.